I'm Karen, and we are going to make spinach stuffed bacon wrapped chicken in our Instant Pot today. So the first thing we have to do is make sure that our trivet is inside. And mine is already assembled because if you watch the video that I did on my freezer meals, the chicken is already put together, but I will post the recipe below so that you can assemble your chicken. So mine have been frozen because that was done for my freezer meal video. So what you're gonna do is put 1 cup of water into your Instant Pot. And then you're going to add your chicken on top of your trivet. And I'm adding 4 chicken breasts. Mine are kind of large. Actually, they were 2 chicken breasts that I cut in half. But they were so large that they are still 2 pounds. And they barely fit. They are stuffed with a spinach and cream cheese mixture. And then the chicken is wrapped in bacon. And now we're going to close up our pot, seal it, make sure the vent is sealed, and then we are going to set it to manual and 10 minutes. And then when it finishes, we are going to naturally release the pressure. And so I'll be back when it's done to show you what we do next. Our pot finished about 10 minutes ago, and the recipe called for us to allow it to naturally release for 10 minutes. So now what we're gonna do is quick release the rest of the pressure, and I've got it turned away from the cabinets so that the steam will vent up and away. And there's actually no pressure left. So now I'm gonna open it up. And actually, before I do this, I'm going to broil my chicken because I want it to be a nice golden brown. So I'm gonna turn that on so it can warm up while I do this. Just to make sure that my chicken's all the way done, I'm gonna check it with a thermometer. Make sure that you stick it into the chicken and not into the filling. And wait a minute for it to register the temperature. All right, my chicken is fully cooked, so I'm gonna put that down and my fork to get my chicken out, or you could use tongs. So careful, your pot is hot. So I'm gonna put my chicken on this. I'm losing some of my filling. Piece of bacon, tragedy. And now I'm going to take my 4 chicken breasts and put them into the oven to broil for just a few minutes so that it gets a nice golden brown. Okay, our chicken has been in the oven broiling for about 5 minutes, and so we're ready to take it out. And that gives us a nice crispy bacon. And it's finished. So I'm going to take a picture to post at the end of the video, and also I will post a link to the recipe at the bottom. In the comments below, please let me know if there's something that you would like to see next.